My name's Cassidy. What prompted me to get in touch with Pop on Veneer was the missing tooth in on the top here. I got in touch with Pop on Veneer, filled out their form, and they sent 3 molds right to my house. The process was pretty easy. You just follow the directions on mixing the putty and putting the mold together. Once you're done the 3 molds, you ship them back. Roughly 2 weeks later, you get a set of veneers and a 3D mold. The veneers pop right on. They clip into the existing teeth. Most people that I talk to don't know that they are veneers. I deal with a lot of people throughout the day, so it can be embarrassing when you're missing a tooth trying to talk to somebody. Um, I'm I'm grateful for Pop on Veneers. They're very affordable and they make talking to people a lot easier.